Hello, you're welcome back to my channel. This is Ebony Style. So in today's video, I'm going to be teaching us how to turn your attachment into a brushable curly hair. Yeah, no, brushable waves hair. So now I'll be using this cap. You're not using a dome cap this time around. I'll be using this cap, and then I'll be pinning it down with a pin. Like, I'll make sure it sits perfectly on this mannequin head, and then I'll pin it down with this pinning that you are seeing on the screen now. So guys, I've already done the closure for this hair. I'm doing a closure style. This time I'm not doing a fringe style. I'm doing a closure a closure side, and I'll be using a lot darling attachments for it. And then this is the closure when I was done with it. So in case you want to know how to make a closure, I've done like 3 videos on how to make a closure, so I'll drop it in the description box. You just go straight and watch the way I made this closure side. So in case you don't know how to make a closure, I'll drop it in the description box, the link in the description box. So I'll be setting the closure on this mannequin head. I'll be pinning it down with a pin. So I'm going to set it on the mannequin head, and then this is when I've set it well on the mannequin head. Yeah, you make sure you set it down on the mannequin head so that it will be perfect and convenient before you start sewing. And this is the thread I'll be using to sew it. Like, I don't divide the thread into 4. You know, if you want to sew, some people divide into 4. So I did my one into 2, and then I'll start sewing right from the tip of the hair to the other side, from the first side here to the second side. That's how I will be sewing. And if you are sewing, don't let the gap, this is a closure, and it's not a weave on, it's a closure side, so make sure the space you are giving in between is not too big. Like, when you sew at the first place, the second side, if you want to sew, can you see, don't make the space to be too much, and make sure you are holding the net and the closure together. Make sure it is together. The two are nets, so make sure you are holding it together, and the space I'm going to give in between must not be too big. Like, it will be little. We have different type of sewing, and if you are sewing, make sure you give it a tight knot when you are sewing. So this is when I was done with the closure side. You can see, and you see the space I gave in between was not too big. So I'll be using a pin. Some people use this pin to ventilate also. You see how tiny the mouth is. So this is the pin I'll be using to insert attachments on this net. Yeah, I'm using the pin to insert attachments. I'll be doing it like a what is it called, like a crochet. Yes, it's actually a crochet pin. Yeah. So, but some people use it to ventilate or to. So this is the attachment. I use a large attachment. I divide the large attachments into 3 sizes. And in this video, I didn't even use up to that 3 size. So this is it. You are going to take a little amounts of the hair, just little. I've shown it earlier. So you'll be inserting the pin in the hair inside the net like this, and use the pin to draw out the hair, like the little hair you've picked already. You need you to pull it inside the net, and you draw and knot the hair exactly the way you're seeing it on the screen. So let me tell you the logic of this wig. Make sure, like, don't finish the attachment. Like, I divide this attachment. I bought one of 1,500 naira. the darling attachment, the one of 1,500 naira, and I divide it into 3. And out of that 3 that I have divided it into, I use just 1.5 for this particular wig, including the closure side. I use just 1.5. It's more than 1.5, but let's just say 1.5 and 1/4. So that's what I use for this particular wig. You can see how scanty the back look like. So that's the logic. So this one I've finished inserting the attachment, and this is the way I insert it. The first row, I'll go for first row, I'll go on a straight line. The second one will be on a straight line, third one on a straight, like the way you sew a weave on. That's the exact way I made the, what's it called? That's the way the same way I made the insert the attachment. And now I'm brushing it with my brush. Yeah, make sure you brush it. You can see the closure, how fine the closure is looking like, how beautiful it's looking like. So, and make sure it's not much. Make it scanty. Don't use everything. Make it scanty. So now I'll be using a rolling rollers. This rolling rollers for it. I'll use it to roll the hair. You can see how scanty this hair looks at the back. You can see how scanty the hair is. So I just want to show you the way I roll this hair. So the rolling rollers, I'll start rolling. Yeah. So right from the tip of the hair like this, you can see. So I'll start rolling it from the tip of the hair, and then I'll roll it from the bottom of the rolling bending rollers to the head to the bottom, like this, like the way you are seeing it on the screen now. So I'll roll it right from the top to the bottom of these rolling rollers, and then I will bend it. This is a bending rollers. This rollers is if you want to buy it in the market, just tell them that you want to buy a bending rollers. So that you can bend the rollers in any way, in any form that you want. So this is it. This is how I rolled everything on the hair. And now I'll pour a shampoo, like a conditioner, not a shampoo. Yeah, I've poured it inside the bucket, like just some, it's not really much, a little, pour it inside the bucket, and then I'm adding a hot water, like a very boiled water, and then I'll dip my hair. I remove the hair from the mannequin head. I'm going to dip my hair inside the bucket. So I make sure I press it very well. You see the essence of this conditioner. When the hair gets dry, you see the essence of putting conditioner, enough of conditioner, not too much and not too small. So I thought I was doing the video when I was pouring the conditioner. I don't know, I wasn't doing the video. I'd be one doing the video at the same time holding camera and all. So I don't know, I did not do the video of the amount of conditioner I bought. So this guy, look at the hair. This is when I was done. Look at the hair, very scanty. You see how scanty the hair is, very scanty, even at the back, very scanty. And I'm going to go and brush the hair. I'm going to brush the hair. Can you see? Yeah, this is when I was brushing the hair. I've brushed the hair, like from the closure side to the back side to every. But the logic is, if you want this hair to be more, like you want it to be full, like to be very full, yeah, you can put enough. You can just put like 2. I cut it to 3. You can just put like two of the I cut the attachment to 2, 3. You can use 2 of it. I can use 2.5 if you want it to be too big. But in this video, I use like 1.5 and 1/4. I did not finish 2. Even with the closure, I didn't finish 2 parts of the. I cut it into 3. I didn't finish 2. So this is it, and I brush the hair. Look at the hair now, and you see the essence of conditioner in this hair. Look at the hair. Can you tell me this is an attachment? No, now it's not possible. Can you tell me this is an attachment? See the waves. See the waves. See the coil waves. I'm even brushing. It's going back to its normal wave. Brush it with the brush. It's still going back to the normal waves. So guys, make sure you tear the closure part, like the net inside the closure part. Make sure you tear it down. Tear it out. Sorry, the closure in the net in the closure. I've already tear it here, so I wasn't really showing it. And you can go ahead and dye the closure part. You can use a foundation powder, and you can use a normal powder to dye the closure part, just to give it a natural hair scalp look. So this is the back of the hair. I still keep on brushing, like I don't even want to leave this hair. I kept on brushing. So this is it. So guys, this is Ebony style. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Please subscribe, like and share my video. Give it a thumbs up. Tell me what you think about this hair. Tell me in the comment section. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you feel. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye bye.